Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text pen columns in Adobe InDesign 2022. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I make text span columns. At first I have to draw a text box with some text. Now you can see here are my text with some text. Now I make text span. At first I have to select this text box. Then go to object menu. Then click text frame option. Now you can see here a fixed number option. Now I choose this numbers 2. Then press OK. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I make text span columns and in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.